right, hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be looking at Privilege Manager. It's a product from Delinea, and we're going to be looking at two pieces here on elevation of privilege. One is going to be through the context menu, and one is going to be through the start menu, with another option that we have with elevating the desktop. So let's take a look. The one area is we're going to come in here and we're going to find a particular application. And the one things we can do is we can simply come over here and right click, and we can request to run as elevated. So that's one option. So what this is going to do is going to take the application that is being on focus here, and it's going to basically run that application as an elevated process. So that is one way of doing it. The next way of doing it here is going to be, move this character out here, and then we're going to come here to the start menu, and we're going to do a new one here called Start Delinea Just-in-Time Elevated Access. So if we click on this, what it's going to do is going to take us through an approval process. Okay, so what this is going to do is we can say, hey, I need elevated desktop. I'm doing some development activities, writing that justification down there. Then it's going to log it into the policy events, which is the logging methodology for Privilege Manager. And so all that would be logged. The approval is granted, and then the desktop is then elevated. So essentially, they can log in with a least amount of privilege user, and for that period of time that desktop's elevated, they'll be able to run as an admin. So that's giving them access to be an admin without actually giving them explicit permissions within the administrator's group. So that is taking a look at elevation from the vantage point of Privilege Manager and how we elevate privilege within particular activities such as the context menu and the start menu. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day.